Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the PUBG gameplay between the OnePlus Nord versus the Mi-10i device. The Mi-10i and the OnePlus Nord, they both use a different kind of Snapdragon processor. And in this video, let's see which processor is the best and which supports the maximum graphics in their performance. So this will give you the clear idea of which processor is the best and what are the things need to be updated in the future as well, because the OnePlus Nord has the 90 Hz display refresh rate, and let's see whether the OnePlus Nord has got the 90 Hz update or not. So what are the graphic settings it's possible here, and we can compare side by side with the Mi-10i. So let's try to open the PUBG game, friends, in both of the phones, and let's see which phone has the better advantage in terms of the PUBG gaming. So let me try to start at same time. So this can be another speed test comparison as well between both the phones. So let me try to start at same time. I think the PUBG game in this OnePlus Nord is already in the recent memory. So let me try to clear the recent memories here. Even let me try to close this PUBG as well, and let's start again. So you know exactly which processor is the best in terms of the starting the games as well. And both phones, they do have different kind of gaming enhancement features. So game turbo is present here, and the game space is present in the OnePlus Nord as well. And just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, and kindly check the playlist as well for more further information on the Mi-10i device. You can find so many videos already on the Mi-10i which I have uploaded. So these graphic settings which you can find in both the phones. Let me try to quickly show you the graphic settings first. So let me try to, yes, these are graphics and the OnePlus Nord, and these are graphics in this Mi-10i device. So one thing is that I'm not using any kind GFX tool. So no GFX tool is used in this kind of process. So I just want to show you that what is the default settings you are getting in the both different Snapdragon processors. The first thing is that in the OnePlus Nord device, you are able to play around smooth and extreme settings out of the box. So that's a really good advantage, friends. With the smooth and extreme, you can get up to 60 FPS and very smooth gameplay as well. That's a one advantage. And in the Mi-10i, if you notice, the Snapdragon 750G processor, even though it is very powerful on the Antutu benchmark terms, but still the PUBG haven't updated. You can see, friends, these are where the Mi phones are lacking very behind the smartphones other companies. So I'm not sure what's happening here, but still there is no smooth and extreme settings in this Mi-10i device, unfortunately. And next is that you can play with the HDR settings in the OnePlus Nord device. So this is a OnePlus Nord, friends. You can play with the HDR settings clearly. You can see even the Mi-10i has the HDR 10 plus and HDR 10 certified, but still you won't be able to play with the HDR 10 option here, as you can see, friends. That's quite disappointing for me, really disappointing. I'm not sure what's happening. So maybe in the future the PUBG should give an special update for this Mi-10i smartphone. So I cannot guarantee you that you might be able to receive, but still let's hope for the best, friends. But I just want to give a quick comparison side by side, so you know exactly what's happening here and which phone is the best phone as well in terms of the PUBG gaming and graphics comparison. So the OnePlus Nord has the Fluid AMOLED panel display, and the Mi-10i has the IPS LCD panel display only. So let me try to start the match so you can see for yourself what's the difference in terms of the gaming. So absolutely, friends, if you have the smooth and extreme settings, that phone will look very much smoother in terms of the animations overall. So very much smooth. If you notice, I can feel the OnePlus Nord has got very smooth transitions when I'm trying to turn around when compared with the Mi-10i device. So that is what I did notice, friends. But do let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts about this new smooth and extreme settings not available in this both the phones. So let's see what's happening here. And do you think whether we will be getting an update in the Mi-10i device in the future or not? So for me, I don't think we'll be getting any updates soon. So you will be sticking to this smooth and ultra settings for quite some time. So this is a problem with the smooth and ultra settings. You will get only 40 FPS. You cannot cross that 40 FPS, unfortunately. That's really a drawback here. So that's it, friends. This is a quick PUBG gameplay comparison between both the smartphones. I just want to show you that which processor is the best in terms of the PUBG gaming and which has the better graphics out of the box. So you know exactly which phone to choose and why to choose as well. So if you are really concerned about this, and thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.